है, जिससे वजीर आजम खिताब कर रहे हैं।
व अहलन व सहलन व मरहबन बिकुम जमीअन। उरीदन अरिबा अन अमी की शुक्री व तकदीरी लिखादमुल हरमैन शरफैन अल मलिक सुलेमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज अलैया वकूफ़िहिमा दाइमन बिजानिब पाकिस्तान व शाबिहा फिस्सर्राय व दर्राय कल जवाल रासियात व तारीख़ यशहदु ज़ालिक व नहनु ला नंसा अबदन इंशाअल्लाह बिइज़्निल्लाह। Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure to be here this evening to welcome our most honorable and most respected guest from our brotherly country, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is no coincidence that I was in Saudi Arabia during the last week of Ramadan al-Mubarak and had the honor of meeting my very respected brother, His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, the Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, and it was wonderful to have a great interaction in that meeting. I was extremely encouraged and I was deeply impressed by his forward-looking vision, which has now transformed Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in many ways for all time to come, be it agriculture or education or information technology, communication, infrastructure, youth empowerment, inclusive policy, you name it and it is there. It is all because of his very dynamic and visionary leadership, which has today placed Saudi Arabia amongst the most progressive societies around the globe. Economy, one of the fastest growing economy. Infrastructure, the most latest in the world. And transport facilities, unbelievable. Job opportunities in abundance, and investments in Saudi Arabia and in other parts of the country, of the world, is phenomenal. And the policy has its basic pillar, and that is peaceful coexistence and provide job opportunities in the region and interact globally so that peace returns, progress returns in areas which are still suffering from many threats, wars, and serious complications. And now we have this great galaxy of business friends from Saudi Arabia who are outstanding businessmen, investors, traders, policymakers. And I cannot remember that when was the last time we had received such a large delegation from Saudi Arabia with commitment and sincerity of purpose to interact with Pakistani business counterparts so that this process of brotherhood and friendship transforms from those transactions which have not helped Pakistan in the past. There is no question about the fountain of generosity from brotherly countries like Saudi Arabia, always standing by Pakistan, as I said in my opening remarks in Arabic language. I'd like to, very briefly explain to you. I said that Saudi Arabia has stood by Pakistan through thick and thin. Bisarrai wa darrai, and in good times and bad times and difficult times. And we, even if we want to thank them, we cannot. We don't have the words how to thank their generosity over the last more than 7 decades of Pakistan's history. And now, under the most dynamic leadership of my brother, the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, they are ready to invest in Pakistan, ready to support Pakistan beyond imagination, provided we are ready to accept this challenge and stand up and say no to those hackneyed techniques of the past, procedures which have failed Pakistan in many ways, policies which were undesirable. I think you will be pleasantly surprised to know that if Pakistan 20 years ago or 30 years ago was able to offer its capabilities to train our Saudi brothers in various walks of life, I can assure you, my brothers and sisters, without any fear of contradiction, that Saudi Arabia today is far more experienced and has immense potential of experts to train Pakistani brothers and sisters in various walks of life. If you don't change, time does not wait for you, wait for none. So I think these are the challenges which we have to account for. And if we really want to make use of this opportunity, a golden opportunity, then we have to work untiringly. Like now our brothers and sisters are working in Saudi Arabia. Some of you might feel that I am daydreaming or telling you stories which don't exist. No. What I'm saying is absolutely a reality which I have seen and observed in Saudi Arabia myself. And they are ready to support us all the way to the hills. And I'm very happy to hear from His Excellency, my brother Ibrahim bin Yusuf Al Mubarak, that today B2B interactions have been most productive. Now, I want to make it very clear, ladies and gentlemen, that governments, it is not the business of the government to do business. Our job is to offer policy frameworks. Our job is to act as a catalyst to make things happen and remove hurdles in the way for speedy achievement of our targets. And I want to assure you that in that we are fully resolved and committed. And as you know, I want to say it, even at the cost of reputation, that SIFC is the vehicle, a very robust, all-encompassing vehicle to undertake all these important projects in the interest of the people of Pakistan and to our mutual benefits. We want investment from our brothers in Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. They should make profits without any problem, repatriate their income back to Saudi Arabia, and vice versa. If we provide a mechanism which is free of trouble, free of bureaucratic hurdles, impediments, free of red tape, then I can assure you, sky is the limit. And today I was so happy to hear from our Saudi brothers that this SIFC is a model which is not only totally acceptable to them, they feel very comfortable, very satisfied that here is a moment, here is an opportunity, and here is a system which will make things work speedily. And now it's all up to us, all up to you. I am speaking today in front of you not as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, but believe me, as Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan, so that you are given complete support, blanket support, which will enable you to come up with your projects and speedily achieve them and convert them into giant investments, and that will replicate this formula in weeks, months, and years to come. I think I don't want to tire you more. I know it has been a very taxing day for all of you. You must be tired, but I'm very happy that there has been solid achievement, tangible progress. I think that time is coming, approaching very fast. I can't mention the month and the date, but that time is coming very fast when we will, inshallah, witness agreements, solid agreements of worth billions of dollars in a short span of time. And that will set the ball rolling. And then it's up to us how to kick it so that it covers the ground and the distance in a short span of time. Once again, Your Excellency and honorable members of Saudi delegation, I am very grateful and deeply honored on behalf of my government, the people of Pakistan and myself, that you have been here and kept us busy and going back with positive feedback, inshallah, and then things will flow from that point onwards. I wanted this dinner to be hosted Jabal al-Mari. It's a wonderful place, mountainous area, and then you would also think of having investment in tourism over there. In the province of KP, in Gilgit-Baltistan, and of course northern areas of Pakistan, they're very beautiful. So next time when you're here, we will be very happy to host you, and we'll have very good discussion. It won't be بارد هذا يعني جميل جدا ما في بارد هناك هذه أيام. Pakistan, Saudi Arabia friendship zindabad. I want to thank all our honorable ministers, government officials, whether they are in protocol or Ministry of Commerce or Energy, all our honorable ministers, government of Pakistan, and especially General Nasim Munir for providing wonderful support and untiring efforts on the part of all concerned, and only then we could arrange this wonderful visit and make this visit most productive. I'm extremely grateful to all of you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Honorable Prime Minister, thank you again for your generosity and your graciousness. We are here today just 2 weeks from the last time we saw you, and this is not only a testament of how generous you are, it's a testament of how our friendship, our partnership with Pakistan is very, very important. So I'd like to convey to you the greetings of His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince and the Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman. At his direction, we moved swiftly to come and explore the partnership with Pakistan. For us, Pakistan is a strategic partner, it's a strategic friend, it's our country. We look forward for more visits. This is, inshallah, only one of many. I will personally look forward to come as often as I can. The private sector have interacted very quickly. We've spoken to them only few days after we've spoken to them. Everybody showed interest, and we have a lot more. Your Excellency, the relationship with Pakistan have always been strong, but we look for it to be even stronger. And we can do great things together. With great leadership, like yourself and His Royal Highness, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, I am sure we can achieve both countries' aspirations and visions. And thank you all very much, and we look forward to seeing you all again here, inshallah.
सऊदी सरमायाकार के वक्त के एजाज़ में अशाइया जिससे वज़ीर आज़म खिताब कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने इस खिताब में कहा कि मेरी हिज रॉयल हाइनेस प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोहम्मद बिन सलमान अल सऊद से जब मुलाकात हुई तो इस मुलाकात में मैं इस बात पर बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुआ कि उनकी जिद्दत पसंदाना जो सोच है उससे हमारा मुल्क और सऊदी अरब मज़ीद फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकता है।